Okay, people. Let's see if I got this thing running. Looks like my stream is started. Let's do this. Live stream, the nightly cryptocurrency dump live. Take 2. Had some serious audio issues with my last feed, so let's try this again. Maybe we'll actually get some people watching live. Maybe we won't. Only time will tell. So let's get into it. What I wanted to talk today about is FUD and FUD reporting fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Perpetrated intentionally to undermine something, either for your personal gain or just for out of spite because you don't like something. The poster child for that today is going to be Jonathan Garber of the Business Insider. He is on a roll with 3 different articles, either pumping or trashing Bitcoin. Very loose on facts, doesn't know what he's talking about. Here's the today's headline is Bitcoin tanks below $1,000. Okay. Tanks is the word you're going to use because it dipped below $1,000 to $997 a coin. And you're going to say basically there's no obvious trigger for this drop. But trading has been extremely volatile lately and has traders parse through the large amount of headline risk. So, in other words, his research for doing this article was parsing through a bunch of headlines and taking educated guesses as to what's really going on. And, you know, the type of people that read these articles, we would affectionately refer to them by the Harry Potter phraseology. They're muggles, right? They're not the enchanted. You know, they're not going to Hogwarts. They're not learning how to control their magic. They don't have any magic. They're not paying attention. They can't see the magic all around them. They're muggles. And so this article's trending, 85,000 people reading it, looking at it. I guess I'm one, just out of pure shock. You go to the next article that he had trending, and it's another Bitcoin article. Bitcoin is roaring back. Okay, get in here. There's another article, very loose on the facts and just obvious tells here, right? The cryptocurrency has rallied about 17% since Sunday's low, rebounding from a slump over the weekend that followed a Wall Street Journal report that the cryptocurrency's developers were threatening to set up a hard fork or an alternative marketplace for Bitcoin. So here is the blind leading the blind. So Jonathan Garber is quoting an idiot reporter from the Wall Street Journal as Andrew Klavan likes to say, a former newspaper. And they're basically saying that a hard fork is creating an alternate marketplace for Bitcoin. That's not even close. You're not even trying. So go back here and we look at I don't know. Scroll down a little bit. Oh, here's another Bitcoin article. What would the title of that one be? Bitcoin could be on the edge of a cliff. Classic FUD clickbait title. It's trending, over 10,000 muggles reading this article, soaking it up. You know, what else can you do? Just check it out and take it for the gospel. We get in here and it's just more. I mean, I'm not even going to call them facts. Just more information cobbled together based on a loose and superficial understanding of what's going on. Now, I'm not trying to be a purist and say that you can't be involved in cryptocurrency if you don't understand that's everything that's going on. But if you're going to be a financial business writer for a publication, if you're going to act as a journalist in this space, I'm sorry, you do have to know what you're talking about. So, I mean, a simple look at Bitcoin wisdom, yes, it is volatile. Congratulations. Cryptocurrency is volatile. Tell us something we don't know. So, I mean, did it dip below 1,000 again? Yes, momentarily. There was a lot of support holding it up above 1,000, but here it is. It got as low on Bitcoin Wisdom, the Bitfinex chart. It got as low as 985.50. So bounced right back. This scaling debate isn't going to go away. It's not going to get better. Nobody wants to solve it in the among the miner community because they're collecting high fees. I've talked about this before, and frankly, it doesn't matter much. We're not seeing a huge backlog. Let's check the backlog live. What do we got here? Oh, so there's this, if you've never looked at this in your life, you would say, oh, 9,760 unconfirmed transactions. That's horrible. But this is not a big deal at all. This is a small backlog, even though there's high volume. Now, if you're trying to buy a latte with Bitcoin, then you don't really understand how the Bitcoin network is currently configured. And if you're demanding the bigger block size so that you can buy a latte, again, you're either being intellectually dishonest or you honestly don't know how the Bitcoin network is configured. Either way, tiny bit of research. Jonathan or whoever else is writing FUD articles, it goes a long way. Do a little bit of research. Do your job. Be a journalist. Thank you for watching the nightly cryptocurrency dump. This is FreeGenX. Like, share, comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong as I learn how to use these magical tools. All right. I'm out of here.